Sid.
I'm Liv.
And today we're going to be doing a review on the Fit Me by Maybelline foundation.
And the CoverGirl Nature Luxe foundation.
So, there, we have like 3 of them because,
yeah.
Well, you'll find out why. So, what do you want to start on? Do you want to start on Fit Me real quick?
Okay, you can go.
Because it's just a quick one. So, I got the Fit Me. I got the 235, that's pure beige. And you can see it doesn't have like, what do they call them?
Like a squeezer,
yeah.
A nozzle.
And it doesn't have like a pump or anything. That's not really good to watch on me. Yeah. So it's supposed to blend into like your skin real well. It's supposed to, the color's supposed to go on quick. I think it does what it says. It fits you. I guess that's what that's the whole thing. It wants to like fit your skin, fit your color. I think it does. What I don't like about it is the end is really, really dewy. It makes me, I have like normal skin. Not really normal, kind of like combination, but it makes me really, really oily, like all of my T-zone. And yeah, so it's like medium coverage, I think. Some people say it's like light to medium. I think this is medium, which is a little bit too much for me. But if you like medium coverage, it's good for you. So I'm not crazy about it. The color, I like the color. I like how you can see the color. But yeah, I'm not really crazy about it. And this is, you get 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce, which is the same as the CoverGirl.
So next, this is the CoverGirl Nature Luxe in 310 Flax, right? Where does it say it?
Oh, one back. And I have 340 Maple.
Yeah, this is Flax, so that's what it looks like.
That's Flax. And this is Maple.
It looks like you get a little bit of product. It's not a lot for how much you pay. You pay $15, $10 at Walmart, $15 at like your Rite Aid or CVS. But I just don't feel like you get a lot for what you pay for, but the product is very good.
Yeah.
It's light to medium coverage, but I don't know, it covers in a way that seems like full, but it's so light and silky on your skin. And it just blends in right in. Oh, I blends in.
Yeah, it's wicked, wicked smooth. It almost feels like a tinted moisturizer. And I think it blends in well. I think you can see.
Oh, you can't even see it on mine, but it blends.
It smells good.
Wicked well.
Which is nice.
Yeah. And it also has SPF 10 sunscreen, so it's good. It doesn't protect your skin that much, but at least it has a little bit of sunscreen in it. But overall, I really love this product, and it's a great buy. And 17 Magazine says so also. It's their top 17 favorite products.
Yeah. And the reason why I have both of them is because I don't like to listen to Olivia. She told me to get this, and I was like, no, I'll try Fit Me, because I saw the commercials. It looked good. It's just, it doesn't really, and you can't really build it that well. Which I don't really think you can build this one that well either. But
they're really good drugstore though. These are drugstore. These are drugstore foundations. They're very good.
They're good.
This is probably the best one in there.
But this, yeah, I just didn't like. And I kind of got it because I liked the look of the glass, which is kind of a funny story. We went to Walmart. Okay, well, this happened a long time ago after I bought this, but we went to Walmart, and I was looking at one of them, and I was like, oh, this one's my shade, and I was getting it to lift to show her. So I was pulling it off of, you know, like, what is it, like the conveyor belt?
Yeah, they, like, snap down.
They snap back. So I grabbed one. There's one behind it, and it snapped, and it crashed everywhere, and there's foundation all over the floor. I got it on my shoes.
It was like a pile of, like, brown.
Yeah. Which you do get a lot. For what you pay for it. We saw that.
The same amount in each
all
one.
on the ground. We saw that.
But I really like this dispenser more because you can have more control over it.
Yeah. So back to my stories. Yeah. So I got it all over my shoes.
And people were like
looking at this and they're like, oh, we're gonna go get someone to clean it.
And then we got sidetracked. So
yeah. Then my mom was like,
and I feel really bad. but like...
No, I didn't feel bad because then when we were leaving,
Well, they're gonna
like,
clean it anyway.
when we were leaving, then someone was like, clean up on makeup aisles.
I know. Yeah, that was your fault though.
So, that's our reviews on the Fit Me and CoverGirl Naturelux.
Put them together. They're a happy family.
Yep.
Sandwich. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
And yeah, sorry that we haven't been putting up any videos. School just like recently started.
I have so much homework.
She's in AP, not AP, but honors.
3
Honors. I'm in all regular, but I play field hockey, so I have practice every day. So we've both been getting to bed really, really late. That's probably. Oh, and sorry if we sound sick. Everyone's sick at
Everyone's
school.
sick at our school.
My whole field hockey team is sick.
Okay.
So when we jog, everyone's breathing out of their mouth. It's gross.
Alright.
So
We're rambling now.
yeah, we're just okay.
Subscribe, comment, and we might do a makeup routine soon, but we just ordered some new makeup and we want to wait for that to get in and trial that on ourselves and make up new looks for you guys. So, yeah.
So see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.